Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix the pose glitch in Cyberpunk. The Phantom Liberty specific game-based will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step of verify game files. Integrity. Content launch the Epic Games Launcher or God Galaxy depending on your platform. Look at Cyberpunk tab in your library. Select the game and look for an option to verify, scan, or check game files. This process will compare the files installed on your computer to the files on the servers. If any discrepancies are found, the launcher will automatically download and replace the corrupted or missing files. This can resolve many glitches, including the pose issue stemming from corrupted game data. Step: update graphics drivers. Content: ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA and or Intel, and download the latest drivers specifically for your card model. Outdated drivers can cause various glitches and instability. After downloading the drivers, install them following the on-screen instructions and restart your computer. This step is crucial as outdated drivers often conflict with the game's engine, triggering graphical errors like the pose.
Step to reinstall Phantom Liberty. Content: if the pose glitch persists after verifying game files and updating drivers, consider reinstalling the Phantom Liberty. This can be done through your respective game launcher, Epic Games Launcher or GOG Galaxy, and install the dock completely. Then restart your computer before reinstalling it. This ensures a clean installation of the dock, eliminating any potential corrupted files that might be contributing to the glitch. Step: adjust in-game graphics settings. Content: experiment with your in-game graphics settings. Try lowering the settings, particularly those related to shadows, textures, and crowd density. High settings can sometimes strain your system, leading to graphical glitches. Reducing these settings can improve performance and potentially resolve the pose. After adjusting the settings, restart the game and check. If the glitch persists, you can selectively raise settings back up one by one to pinpoint if a specific setting is causing the problem.
Step: perform a clean boot of Windows. Content: a clean boot of Windows starts your computer with a minimal set of drivers, then start the programs. This helps identify if a third-party application or driver is conflicting with Cyberpunk and causing the pose glitch. To perform a clean boot, search for config in the Windows search bar. Go to the Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services, and click Disable All. Then go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Disable all startup programs. Restart your computer and launch Cyberpunk. To see if the problem is resolved, remember to reverse these steps after testing.